What's up, guys? Another S90 rebuild video here. This one here, I'm going to try and keep the video as quick as I can, just do some explanations. This video here is, this throttle body is specific for an EVO 4, 5, and 6. Again, unbranded, 70 millimeter billet throttle body. I ordered one just to see more curiosity. I wanted to see if there was any difference internally. Can it bolt up for us? Can it be rebuilt correctly? Maybe it's an upgrade, maybe it's not. So I did it, kind of took a chance, and I'm actually very pleased with what I've seen. Just quickly, I'll say that a factory TPS does not bolt up. However, there are other Mitsubishis that share this. I was able to find some part numbers, and I got an aftermarket TPS, which works 100%. Will bolt right onto a 2G plug. It's been tested on my own car, no issues there. The FIAV is different than a standard DSM. What I did is I built a homemade block off, and I did find the O-rings online. I was able to source them pretty cheap. So I basically have, this could be bolt on 100% onto a DSM, no issues. The only cons I really found on this were probably just a couple more bucks in the sensor and making a block off plate. The pros I think are really, really good. What I had found was not only does it have a steel shaft in here, which we like, which of course the branded S90 ones do not. These ones do. It had some embossments in there on the shaft, so we were able to put O-rings in there. And on top of the O-rings, we're able to put seals, which I really, really like. So I was actually quite happy. I'd ordered some things. I rebuilt it, kind of did what I thought was correct here, put it all back together. So I'm going to do a quick test. I'm going to throw a bunch of pressure in here. I'm going to see what kind of pressure it holds or how far I want to go until I kind of feel comfortable here, you know, my little homemade setup. But we're going to do that quick, and we're going to see where we're at. We're going to see how this goes. So you can see there, I am at 60 pounds right there without a single issue. I'm sure this can go higher. I just don't think I have the guts to do it here on my bench. But no problems, no issues whatsoever. You can see that. And we can even throw a little more, see if that goes. No problem, over 60 pounds. I can open, there's no issues there with the shaft seals. You can see no issues whatsoever, over 60 pounds. I'm sure this could go to 70 or 80, you know, if that's where you're at with this. What I will say to close this is that this is probably, in my opinion, the ultimate 70 millimeter billet throttle body to put on a DSM right here. Like I said, O-rings, seals, you know, a little bit of modification. This bolts right up. You can see here, I'm on a 1G Cyclone manifold. And here we go again, 60 pounds, no problem, not a peep. All right, guys, thanks. Sorry for the long video.